Hi everyone, I am Ilavarasi. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a weight loss post-gram dosa for you. This dosa does not contain rice or urad dal or any white in this. You can buy the host gram in wholesale market and you can grind as a powder in your local flour mill. To making this dosa, I am adding a 1 cup of host gram powder, 1 spoon of cumin seed and little amount of Himalayan pink salt. And I am adding a 2 cup of warm water. I will say some tips for you to making this dosa. Just try to use only warm water and not to use hot water, because if you use hot water means that dosa will not come in proper shape. So you just use warm water, okay? And now I am checking the dough consistency. Okay, I need a little amount of water now. Yes, now it's ready to make. I have already heated this dosa pan, so I will show you how to heat the dosa pan like this. You just heated the dosa pan well and add some oil in this iron dosa pan and heat well like this, and just switch off the flame in low and just drop the dough in this dosa pan like this. And I am adding a organic wood pressed sesame oil. You can add ghee or coconut oil, that is your choice. For this host gram dosa, you can add ghee. It's very good for health. So today I am using a sesame oil. Also, whenever you are start making the dosa, try to spread the oil in the empty iron dosa pan and just heat well, and after that you can use it for making this dosa. So it will come in proper shape. So I will show you how to make the dosa another one. Just see it. Yeah, and now this dosa is ready. Can add any side dish of your choice. I am adding a coconut chutney. It is a very basic coconut chutney. And so that's it. Today I will share you a very simple recipe to you. And please share your feedback in the comment section about this recipe, and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to all. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next recipe soon. Take care and bye.